Hello, my name is Chris, and today we'll be talking about pendulums. Okay, first things first, what is a pendulum? A pendulum is a body suspended from a fixed support so that it can swing back and forth freely under the influence of gravity. We can measure the period of the pendulum, or the time it takes for one oscillation.
An oscillation is the time it takes for the pendulum to swing to the other side and back. The period of a pendulum is the time it takes to make one oscillation. So the period of this pendulum is 8 seconds.
We can figure out what the period depends on. Let's think about it for a second. What do you think would change the period of a pendulum? Some of the most common responses are the mass at the end of the pendulum, the length of the pendulum, and the force due to gravity. If you were to guess those three responses, you would only be 2/3 right. The period of the pendulum does in fact not depend on the amount of mass attached to it. However, it does depend on the length and the acceleration due to gravity. In fact, the equation for the period of a pendulum is 2 pi times the square root of the length of the pendulum over the square root of the acceleration due to gravity. But don't take my word for it. Next time we'll put it to the test. See you then.